everybody, this is Ling Ling. Today I will have another unboxing video. New purchases from Paris, fresh from Paris, and this is bought and purchased in one of my favorite flagship stores in Paris at the Avenue Montaigne. Now, this is a flashback from my previous video, which is the first unboxing of this series, where I have unboxed this beautiful cardigan. And today I'm going to dive further with you in this unboxing because I still have two other items to unbox. So for those who haven't seen the part 1 yet, I'll refer you back to that video and put the link below in the description box. And thanks also for watching, of course. So let's get into today's unboxing. I will go and move on to the next item. So the next item is also one of the very iconic items in the collection from the Jonathan Anderson collection, and this is the box. You guys may guess what is inside the box, and according to the shape you might already guess that these are like probably a pair of shoes. So let me unbox it. Dun, 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 dun. Here is like some protection paper. Usually they pack it up very well to make sure that things stay well. And also, when you purchase it, just leave your paper in the box. That is the best way to keep your items well, because this is all made from real leather and you don't want it to become like humid, especially like in some areas in the world where you live. It could be like in the summertime very humid. So this is also to protect your items. And then they have given me these dust bags, and I've put it into the dust bags as well. So to make it even more exciting, so that you guys won't guess right away what is inside. So let me show you one side of the pair. I can really smell it is made from leather. I can really feel and smell the fresh smell of leather. So this is such a beautiful heel. Look at the details. And also the backside, it is made from a metallic heel, yes, in silver color. And I think it looks very good matching with this ladybug, which is a beautiful little detail on top of this clover sandal. This is like an open heel sling sandal, something like that. And this one is very famous from their campaign, because you probably know that there is an exact similar bag that matches perfectly with this pair of shoes or sandals. And that bag is a Lady Dior bag. It is made from the similar clovers, same color, and also has this very little cute ladybug. So let me show you guys from close by how it looks like. This is the front. You can see how beautiful the clovers are. They are so intricate and they're made one by one, very layered, three-dimensional, one by one adhered on the top of the sandal. And also let me remove this piece of paper from the interior, so it looks even better like this. And the heel, of course, from the back, it's like a mirror heel and it's rounded as well. And this is the bottom part. And I wear a size, I almost forgot, but this is a size 38 and a half. 38 and a half. So make sure that your sandals are always right fitting on your shoes or on your feet. It could be that sometimes the sandal could be a little bit bigger than your actual size. I am always like circulating between a size 38 and a 39, or even 37 and a half for some shoes and some brands. But even per brand, every shoe is different. So it is very important. If you want to buy a shoe, it would be a better suggestion to buy it like in the boutique instead of like online. And also you get a better service, of course. So this is like one of my super favorite sandals now. It is like unworn. And finally, after I have unboxed this, it is time for me to take them out and to carry them out and mix and match them with my existing attire. So let me know in the comments what you guys think about these beautiful sandals. They're also pretty lightweight. And I have to tell you guys, they have different kind of 3D flower sandals from this style. They have like the white color ones, which are made from daisies. They have also these clover ones, and they have a yellow pair. I'm not sure how many different colors they have, but I know that for the Lady Dior bags that are matching with the sandals, they do have a lot of different colors, and not every boutique they carries the full collection. But if you go to the flagship store in Paris, which main shop as well, because of the history of Dior, because Dior started to have his first collection, the new look over there, and they have the beautiful museum, they have a beautiful restaurant, they have a beautiful cafe. It is very nice to visit the shop, not only because it's a very nice experience to go there, not only because of the shopping. The shop is huge, it has a beautiful architecture, interior. You will really like spend a lot of time in there just admiring the interior as well. And you could spend like a couple of hours, because after the shopping or before the shopping, I would recommend you guys, it is better to go to the museum, because they will close around like 4:30 or 5 o'clock, as I remember, because they want to make sure that if you enter, you have enough time to see all the beautiful things that they can share with you, like the beautiful haute couture dresses that Christian Dior has designed in the past, but also works from Maria Grazia Chiuri and other creative directors in the past for Dior's house. So this is the sandal that I wanted to show you guys as soon as possible, so I can finally wear them during the spring summer time. Hope you guys like this item. Do let me know in the comments below what you think, and what do you think about this color as well, because I do believe of a color, like a dash of color with your simplistic or simple outfit, works very well. If this would be the bag that they have in this collection, I think it's too much, because I want my bag to be like matching with all of my attires. But my shoes I can change from time to time to give it a playful effect. And I love the fact that this has the clovers, because this is of course a lucky iconic symbol for most of the people. So who doesn't want to have a piece of or portion of luck when you go out? So this is a lucky shoe as well, and very playful and beautiful and elegant. So let me put this away before I dive into the next item. So when I put it away, I always make sure I put it back into the dust bags. And also I forgot almost to put this piece of paper that is wrapped into this, just to keep the shape well of this sandal. That's the best way how you can store your shoes as well, or your sandals. So put this away like in a very tidy and neat way. And you will feel surprised when you take it out of the box that it won't at least change the shape. So this is the second item that I have unboxed. And now I'm not finished yet. There is still a third item here in this bag. So stay tuned for that as well. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment to support my channel. And also don't miss out on my upcoming contents. Thank you everybody for watching. I'm so happy, so honored to have you guys here. And I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye for now and stay safe. Bye bye.